how to try or test beta apps on iOS using the Testflight application. You can directly go to App Store and search for this app here, Testflight. Just install this. This application lets you try and test the application which are not yet launched on the App Store. Once you have installed this application, we're going to go back to home screen, launch Safari. Now there are multiple third-party sources from where you can get the test apps. One of which is this source here from GitHub, that is Fluent Awesome Testflight link. You can just Google search GitHub Testflight and click on the first link here from GitHub, collection of Testflight public app link. Scroll down. Now you can scroll down to the iOS or iPhone section. This here, iOS, iPad, OS app list. And you can directly click on this link to test this beta apps. Suppose this one here, Ad Guard, Ad Block and Privacy. Click on this direct link and it will lead you to Testflight where you can install this. Install. And you can try this beta app. Open. So that's how you can test the beta apps using the Testflight. I'm going to show you some few more sources from where you can test the beta apps. We can just do a Google search for iOS beta apps Testflight. Google search this and you can find several links here. Suppose this one here, WA beta info. Scroll down and we have got several apps here that you can test. And another one is here, today's Testflight apps. You can test any of these. So that's the way how we can try and test the beta apps on iOS using the Testflight. Just like this video and subscribe to this channel.